Hey everybody, today's video is a 2020 Flagstaff E-Pro. This is a little different than my normal videos. I just wanted to show you what this looks like in case you're wanting something a little bigger and you don't want to go vintage. This is a good option. It's got a really good floor plan that I'm going to show you in a minute on the inside. It's got a slide out, and I will get the model number for you. Let's see. This is the model number. It's an E19FBS front bed made by Forest River. So first thing when you come in, you see this couch, which is really nice. I think if I was full timing, this would be the perfect layout. It's got storage cabinets up there, storage up there, more storage here, and then some down there. It's got good cabinets there. This little pink flamingo. So this guy won that last night at a game that we played. We are here with Vintage Trailers of the Southeast. That's a Facebook group that you can join and go to all the vintage rallies with us. So this probably comes out to a bed. I just like it better than a dinette if you're living in it because it's just more comfortable. So you've got the cup holders there. There's the kitchen. Pretty good size refrigerator, and then a microwave, and here is the bathroom. So let's go inside there and see what that looks like. Nice corner shower there. It's got a skylight and looks like a fantastic fan. There's the toilet and then a vanity with a mirror over top. Hello there. Alright, so that's this video for today. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.